Dayton's legacy of invention and innovation is alive and well among our many high-tech businesses. In this installment of our Dayton Originals video series, Angstron Materials explains how they are using nanomaterials to help enhance the way we all live and work.
Dayton is a place where a lot of great innovation and inventions were made. In fact, I was told that Dayton is ranked number one or number two in terms of the number of U.S. patents per capita. So this is really where innovation and inventions are all about.
Angstron produces a very unique material called graphene. And graphene is a very thin layers of graphite. So if you took graphite and you could slice it down to very, very thin layers, you get some incredible properties that you don't get from other materials.
This particular material, graphene, can be used for a broad array of energy storage applications, including like lithium batteries and supercapacitors.
Graphene, because of its unique shape and its unique attributes, it creates a situation where you can use it in lots and lots of different applications. So they can cut across different industries such as aerospace, composites, energy storage, EMI shielding. You can use them in barrier properties, conductive films. There's lots and lots of applications that you can touch on. So for example, if you can imagine someday having a cell phone that you could charge up in 5 seconds, or a laptop battery that charges in maybe a minute, as opposed to waiting an hour or two for something to charge up these days. So that's one of the things that the graphene could help with because of the very high surface area. This is a very unique product. It looks sort of like just a powder here, but if you took a gram of this and you laid out the pieces end to end, you could cover an entire football field. So that's how much material is in just 1 gram container of graphene. The company was started by Dr. Bourjang and Aruna Zamu back in 2007, but their origins were from a company called Nanotech. And Nanotech began back in the late 90s. Back around 2002, they filed the world's first patent on graphene. The world's first patent on how to make it. And when they did that, they followed that up with about 17 more applications over the next 5 years. So in 2007, Angstron was started to actually produce the materials that were created through Nanotech.
We have developed a new class of nanomaterials, which turns out to be one of the most promising and most useful nanomaterial in the world right now.
I think we're going to see a lot of growth in the business over the next couple of years. Initially, graphene is a fairly new material, and so there's been over the last 3 or 4 years a lot of research and development being done by lots of different companies to figure out how to use the material. But now it's getting close to the point where applications are going to hit the marketplace and be available to be used in actual end products. Well, Dayton is a great location, I think, for a company because there is a lot of resources here, particularly in the composites and advanced materials field.
For our own business in the materials energy storage area, we had a great supply of talented employees here. UDRI and Wright State and Air Force Research Lab in combination probably has the largest number of material science type of people in the whole country. I'm proud of Dayton Original because Dayton provide the necessary resources for an entrepreneur to succeed.
Like other Dayton Originals, Dr. Bourjang and Angstron Materials are helping to change the world with their ideas. To learn more and to view other Dayton Original videos, visit www.daytonoriginals.org.